These are Puffy stickers, but they're witchy. I can put these on everything, and I just might. Hello my celestial friends, I'm Echo the Saving Sorceress, and today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing from the channel From Cheap To Chic. She makes incredible crafts, a lot of paper crafting, just really great stuff all around. I highly recommend, especially if you like holidays. She seems to do a lot of holiday related crafting, and I have so much fun with her channel. I won her giveaway box, and I'm really excited to see what's inside it, so let's find out. So here it is. I would show you the other side because it has some really cute little star stickers on it, but also our addresses are on there, so I won't be doing that. But I'm gonna open it up and we'll take a peek. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is gonna be so great. Okay, so first I got the cutest stickers. Oh wow. There's some skull and crossbones and some potions and beautiful flowers and roses and happy Halloween and oh, I love being witchy. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And like, yeah, they're 3D. These are the really nice kinds of stickers too. I always wanted some things like this. Oh, there's a little bat and some spider webs. Oh my gosh, I will definitely put these to good use. I love them. Alright, next. See, I wasn't even sure that I'd be actually getting like things in this package. I kind of suspected it just because she does so much cool art, but I'm kind of shocked because really I was just expecting a gift card, so this is awesome. This is a whole little goodie bag. Oh my gosh! Okay, wow. I don't even know what to say. These are some more really nice stickers. They're also 3D and sort of like plastic even, but in like, they're like the Puffy stickers. You know, the ones you really wanted as a kid that you were really jealous of all the cool kids who got the Puffy stickers? These are Puffy stickers, but they're witchy. They're so cute! I really love the potions. I think they're my favorite ones. Oh, but the moon and star, and the crystals, and the cauldron. Oh my gosh, and the candle. Oh, this one's just super cool. Now I have to think of some like artistic things I can do with these. Honestly, I think a lot of them would actually look really cool on a potion bottle, you know, on the label or decorating the potion bottle itself. I'm gonna have to think about some things because this is just amazing. And there's actually still more in here, which is wild. Oh my gosh, there's quite a bit more. Another one like that, but with like color. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. This is like stained glass looking ones and owls. It says Hocus Pocus and Witch's Brew. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, and the bats. Honestly, this is giving me a little bit of like wax seal vibes, especially the Hocus Pocus symbol. These are just really, really sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Ah, this is so good. Okay, I'm like overexcited. I can't wait to see what else is here. Oh, happy Halloween. So it's a little bit after Halloween that I'm opening this, but I did get the package right around Halloween. I've been saving it so I could film, and I wanted to show you my first reaction, so I have no idea what's actually inside this package. But I love this. I wish you a happy Halloween. Like, how cute is that? And a little witch and cat. Oh, Hi Echo, thank you so much for being a great supporter. Sharon. Oh my gosh, and as a little witch's broomstick there. I love it. I love it. Plus, I'm sure that she made this herself, so like, that's just amazing. And, oh, this is adorable. Little witch from the little baggie. And I think there's something inside, so let's check that out. Okay. Ah, there's my gift card. Oh my gosh, even the gift card is cute. And I love these holographic baggies, of course, but what's inside are some charms. No way! Oh, I gotta open it. Why can I not open it? It's not opening for me. Oh no. I'm too eager. Oh my gosh, so some really cute leather feel stars. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. And then we've got more in here. Ooh. Okay, oh my gosh, there's some silver ones as well. And we have got the cutest little charms I have ever seen in my life, and I have no idea where she got these, but I'm in love. A little broomstick. I could make necklaces or earrings or all kinds of things with these. I am so excited about this. A little witch's boot. Ah! Oh my gosh. The tiniest cauldron I have ever seen in my life. Do you ever get like sad because you're overwhelmed with cuteness? That's how I'm feeling right now. And, oh wow, the most beautiful little witch hat and pumpkin. Oh my gosh. This is so incredible, thank you. And there's one more thing. Oh, this is so cute. It says beware. It's got a little witch on it too. And inside, we've got a really amazing amount of little foam witch hats and little witchy shoes, and I believe they're sticky on the back too. So I can put these on everything, and I just might. Oh my gosh, there's like black and purple, some of my favorite colors. I cannot believe this. I absolutely loved everything. I was shocked when I won that giveaway. I was really not expecting it, and I'm just really happy that I did. Thank you again, Sharon, from the channel From Cheap To Chic. You have really seriously just made my day, and I cannot wait to get to crafting with all these things. And again, I just highly recommend you go and check out her channel. I will link her down in the description and in the comments because I love her content so much. She just hit 1,000 subscribers, and here's to many more. I just can't wait to see what she does next. So, which one of those things was your favorite? If I had to pick a favorite, oh gosh, probably the charms, but also these stickers, I guess. And I mean, it's just so hard to choose. I just really love all of the things that I got, and I was not expecting such an incredible little package of treasures. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. It was so much fun. And I will be back soon with another video. I do a lot of thrifting and sewing and crafting content, all with a witchy spin. So stay tuned, and remember, my celestial friends, save whatever beautiful and magical gifts you receive, be kind to yourself and to the universe, and try to add a little bit of magic wherever possible to your corner of the world. Bye. Like leather feel hearts. A giveaway box from From Cheap to Chics, from the channel From Cheap. Oh gosh.